What's up, guys? So today is an exciting day because I'm excited to tell you guys some really cool news for my YouTube channel. But I first want to thank you guys for supporting me through the beginning, or since the beginning, because if it weren't for you guys, this company probably would not have reached out to me. So a couple months ago, Hart reached out to me asking if they could send me some of their tools for me to use and show in my videos for you guys and to do reviews and those types of things. And one of the things I wanted to do mostly is I wanted to be able to remain transparent. I didn't want to be told what to say about their tools. So of course they said that wouldn't be a problem. They wanted everything to continue to be organic and just kind of show you guys and allow me to give you guys honest reviews and opinions about the tools. So that was the most important thing. The other thing that I wanted to do for you guys, since you guys are who basically made this possible for me because of through all your support, is I wanted to do a giveaway with one of their lawn equipment tools. So I'm not sure what that's going to look yet just yet. We don't have everything solidified and put together, but we will be doing a giveaway with one of the Hart tools lawn equipment tools. So that'll be really cool. I'm glad that we were able to work that in to give back to you guys, because that was a big thing for me, is I wanted to give back to the community and to my audience that continues to support me. So thank you guys so much for this. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of some fun new lawn equipment. So let's start with this one right here. So this looks like the 2-gallon backpack chemical sprayer. It says 30 gallons per charge, no pumping required. 2-amp lithium ion battery and fast charger is included with this. This looks like the charger. Here's the battery. Let's just get this charging right away. It's like the instruction manual. The tank. That's pretty cool. As stated on the box, it is a backpack chemical sprayer, so this is all in the backpack. The tank slides in and out pretty cool. Pretty easily. That's pretty cool. Really easy to read markings on the side. Looks like this is where the product or fluids go in. This cap goes on top, but this is pretty cool. This cap looks like it's actually a measuring cup, so it has markings on it. That's pretty neat. Looks like that's where the battery goes. And here's the hose, and then here's the wand. So it looks like it does come with a fan tip nozzle. That's cool. Fan tip, and I believe probably a cone tip as well. So really easy out of the box assembly, not difficult at all. I'll definitely look through the instructions to learn more about it, but overall, just being able to put it together very simply and easily, it's pretty nice. This wand, this is a plastic wand, but seems pretty durable, seems pretty nice. So that is the 2-gallon backpack chemical sprayer. Let us move on to the next one. So this is their 40-volt cordless, part of their 40-volt cordless systems. This is the 15-inch string trimmer kit. They have 4 different attachments that you can get. They have an edger, it looks like a pole chainsaw. It looks like a little blower that you can put on the end of these. I've never used one of those. And it looks like a cultivator that you can put on the end of this as well. So several different attachments. But the only attachment that is for this is just the trimmer itself. So let's open it and see what we got. So looks like this is the main unit, the top of it where the battery plugs into. You got your trigger right here. This looks where all of your attachments are going to attach. And this is also sent with a battery and a battery charger. So I'm going to plug this in right now. So get that charging. So this comes with one 4-amp lithium ion battery and a charger. So it also comes with a handle and your edge guard or trimmer edge, and also your manuals. So here's the trimmer. It was extremely easy to put together. Right in here, you just gotta unscrew this and then push this button here, and this attachment slides out, and it should be a really easy and quick and easy way to change out attachments for the edger, the blower, cultivator, and the what other thing? Oh, the pull chainsaw. So that was really easy to put together. This is pretty cool. Seems like a really durable piece of equipment. Nice and sturdy. It's not wobbly at all. Feels like a pretty quality piece of equipment. And like I said, really easy to put together. All right, the next piece is the brushless backpack blower. This is a 625 CFMs, 145 mile an hour, quiet operations at 56 decibels. This also is included with one 5 amp lithium ion battery and a charger. So let's open this guy up. Here's the battery, it looks like. Again, I'm gonna open this up and get it charging. Baby! Whoop, daisy. I've never had or used a backpack blower before, so this is kind of cool. These look like some sort of clips to clip some of these pieces together to make sure they're sealed or nice and tight. So let's go ahead and put this all together, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterward. Wow, this thing is pretty beefy. So there it is. This is, again, just like everything else, really easy to put together. It looks like you can put a battery here and here. It does work on one battery. You don't need two. You just obviously get longer operation with two batteries. It looks like this piece kind of bounces around. That's done on purpose. It's not something loose. There's actually, it looks like there's some springs down underneath this plate where the actual motor attaches to give it some bounce, and again, so it's probably not jolting you around, and it's a little bit more comfortable to use when you're out in the yard. So that's real nice. Nice carrying handle. It looks like you can hang it from the wall right here, so that's cool. Alright, so again, this comes with, I believe, one 5 amp hour battery. Yes, one 5 amp lithium battery and a charger. So just like all the others, let's break out this battery and get it charging. So it looks like we got the bag and the frame that the bag goes on. Nice bag. Nice. So this is their adaptive speed mower. So it's kind of similar to, I think, the Toro personal pace. Basically, the faster you walk, the faster the mower goes, and vice versa. So this is also part of their 40 volt cordless power equipment. So, and it's all brushless mowers. All these pieces of equipment are the brushless motors. So this has 21-inch steel deck, rear wheel drive, variable speed, easy start, single point height adjustment, so that's cool. And this will bag or mulch. Let's go ahead and pull this over. Oh, that's nice. Well, it says it measures from 1 inch to 4 inches of cutting height. So you just pull this trigger and pull up to adjust it to whatever height of cut you want. So that's really easy. I mean, I'm barely pushing or pulling you know, you're adjusting the height very easily. Looks like there's some headlights, kind of like the Ego. Looks like there's one spot to put the battery in and one spot to store a battery. Again, I'll do a full overview of these pieces of equipment later down the road. Today is just an unboxing, and bear with me, I've never done an unboxing video, so I hope this turns out okay. So it looks like this is the mulching plug. That's really easy to take in and out. Slide it in, push that down, pull it up, pull it out. That's nice and easy. So that's the unboxing of all 4 pieces of equipment that Hart sent me. Now all we need to do is get these batteries charged and see how they sound and run. This equipment is really cool, and I'm really excited to try it out in the lawn and show you guys and do some reviews on this equipment. Again, I want to thank Hart Tools for giving me this opportunity and giving me these tools to show you guys, as well as donating a tool to do a giveaway. So stay tuned for that giveaway. I'll be giving more updates on that and more details as everything gets developed with that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this wasn't a review video of any sorts, it's just an unboxing. I will be doing more specific reviews on these tools, but I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. I really appreciate all your support. If you have any comments or questions, please leave that in the comment section below. And if you like my content, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. As always, I'm Ben the Lawn Guardian, and I'll see you in the next video.